Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today we're making a natural remedy. It's going to be fennel seed tea to cleanse the liver. Firstly, I'm going to wash and prep all my ingredients. I'm going to chop up my ginger. Next to prep is my orange. I'm going to poke in my cloves into my orange. So guys, I'm now going to slice my lemon. So guys, now I'm going to be making the tea. First in goes my orange. Next my lemon. One teaspoon of fennel seed. My ginger. And my rosemary. Now I'm going to add my boiling hot water. Guys, it's been sitting for 5 minutes. I'm now going to sieve it. I'm going to add some organic honey. I'm going to go and through a lemon. And we'll give it a quick stir and let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes. I'm going to go and through a lemon and some cloves. We are now remedy for cleansing your liver is ready. We are now come to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.